Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and household items. Today, we're diving into the world of oral care with a product that's making waves in the market. Say hello to the Crest Gum Care Mouthwash. If you're someone who values oral hygiene, especially when it comes to combating gum disease, then you're in for a treat. This mouthwash isn't just any ordinary rinse. It's the best mouthwash for gum pockets available in the market today. Let's delve into what makes this mouthwash stand out from the rest. First off, it's packed with CPC, or cetyl pyridinium chloride, a powerful ingredient known for its anti-gingivitis and anti-plaque properties. CPC works wonders by neutralizing plaque germs around the gum line, reducing early signs of gum disease, and even tackling those pesky bacteria responsible for bad breath. And let's talk about that flavor, cool wintergreen. Not only does it leave your breath feeling refreshed, but it also adds a pleasant twist to your oral care routine. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, fret not. Despite its premium quality, Crest Gum Care Mouthwash offers great value for money. Plus, it's alcohol-free, so you can rest assured it won't leave your mouth feeling dry. And here's a bonus point for the environmentally conscious folks out there. One reviewer, Deborah Bosworth, points out a packaging concern, highlighting the importance of being mindful of our environmental footprint. So, whether you're looking to enhance your oral hygiene routine or tackle gum issues head-on, Crest Gum Care Mouthwash is the solution you've been searching for. With its proven effectiveness and refreshing wintergreen flavor, it's a must-have addition to your bathroom cabinet. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the products you love. Until next time, keep smiling and stay healthy.